In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Reddit videos on your computer. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to save your favorite clips directly to your device so you can watch them offline, use them in presentations, or simply keep them for later. Let's start on Reddit. First, open the post that contains the video you want to download. Make sure the video is actually playing within Reddit itself, not just an embedded link from another site, because this process works best with native Reddit videos. Once you've found the video, look for the share option. On most browsers, you'll see a small share button or icon underneath the post. Click on share. When you do that, a few different sharing options will appear. From those options, choose copy link. This copies the direct link to that Reddit post and stores it in your clipboard, ready for the next step. Now switch over to your web browser's main search page. Go to Google by opening a new tab or window. In the search bar, type in Reddit download video and press enter. You'll see several websites specifically designed to help you download Reddit videos. These sites are third-party tools that take the link you just copied and convert the video into a downloadable file. Choose one of the top results with a clean, simple layout. When you open the site, you'll usually see a text box asking for a Reddit link or URL. Click inside that box, then paste the link you copied from Reddit. On most computers, you can paste by right-clicking and selecting paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V, depending on your operating system. After pasting the link, follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, there will be a button that says something like Download, Fetch, or Get Video. Click that, and the site will process the Reddit link. In a few moments, you should see one or more download options, often with different video qualities or formats. Choose the quality that fits your needs, then click the corresponding download button. Your browser will then start downloading the file, usually to your default downloads folder. Once it finishes, you can open the video from that folder and play it just like any other file on your computer, and that's all there is to it. Share, copy link, search for a Reddit video downloader, and follow the on-screen prompts.